Now the question many people may have on their minds is, how do we go about connecting our devices to other non-Apple hardware such as Windows computers and PCs? Now we see the advantage in eliminating the USB Type-C port, but aside from charging, there's also the need for data transfer, and that's where wires and the ports come necessary or are necessary. So will you be introducing a feature that allows all devices, whether or not they are a MacBook, to connect with these devices and exchange information? Or will this new feature only be accepted by Apple proprietary software and devices? Because if this is a means to eliminate interoperability between non-Apple devices, then congratulations, you have done your work well. What are your thoughts on this new development, guys? Let me know in the comments.